So this here is my Saab 93 2006 model, and I've had issues with the window regulator 2 times now. Swapped it out once with a new unoriginal part, but then I got problems again, and it always starts with this kind of almost like grinding noise. Sounds like sand getting crushed between like two metal plates or something like that. That kind of sound when you like open and retract the window. So if you have that sound coming, don't go through a drive-through in the winter, because then you won't get your window up again, which happened to me now I think 2 times maybe. Both of them it was in the middle of the winter. But to fix this problem here, I would recommend you getting a new high quality window tracks, because I guess it's easier to work with, and also I think they fit better, and I guess they maybe will last a little bit of a longer time as well. So to get access to the window tracks, you need to remove the trim from the door handle, and I think it's the best way is to like pull from underneath and then pop it out with the internal like clips on them, and then you need to remove the 2 torque screws that are inside the door handle, and then you just have to like pry out the door card. It's with a lot of clips clipped into the door, and then you just pull on it and it will unclip itself. And then you need to be a little bit careful, because you have all of these wires here hooked up to the door card that you need to disconnect, and also you had that door release thing that you like kind of just untangle from the door handle. Then you have access to the window motor, and you remove this with 4 screws. If you are going to get a new of this motor, there are 2 different versions, one with the pinch protection. The connector is a little bit different to the one without the pinch connection. And you saw this here, my kind of this plastic wheel with the wire on it was all like tangled up, and I could like temporarily fix this and it worked for a few months I guess, but the wires were pinched a little bit and crooked, so yeah, it's only a temporary fix in my case here. But then we also have access to the window tracks, and you can remove this with first removing the window itself. You see those 2 or 1 bolt on each of these holders thing here. You need to remove or loosen them, and then the window is free, and you just pull on the window from the top of the door and it will slide out. I think it worked for almost 1 year, and then the problem got back again while I was leaving a parking garage to open the window and such. So I had to, at the side of the road, pull the door car out to manually like retract the windows. But to change out the window tracks, we remove 4 bolts and then this 1 screw in the top corner, and then you are able to take the window tracks out. And to remove the windows, of course, you have the 2 bolts on each of these holder or clip there that you loosen, and then the window is free. I also remove like the gasket on the inside where the window comes down, and then it's just to pull the window out from the top. And then after we have removed the window tracks and the window, we basically just do everything in reverse. I guess it's fairly easy, and here you can also see the difference in the OEM quality of the tracks compared to this cheap part that is the same part number. So I would recommend either getting a more expensive window track or a used OEM one. And it was also a perfect opportunity to install more of these asphalt mats or plating things to dampen sounds for the stereo or the mid-range speakers that we have in the door. I think this improved the sound quality overall. So you just push everything back together, then I slide it in through those holes in the door, and then you just line up every bolt in the corners and such and tighten those. And I also have this thing on the top there that you need to clip in, and then you can install the window from the top, basically just seeing that it hits all of the gaskets in the correct way, and then you can tighten the window into the clamps and install this rubber gasket again